Hi guys, today I want to show how to soldering the cables. Idea of this movie is because I work with few engineers, chief engineers after high schools, and they told me that they couldn't soldering because the solder was everywhere except cables, and I would like to show why. What's that? I have to connect the new fan coil motor to the unit. I don't want to change anything in the main distribution box. That I decide to make a easiest job, but on this way we have to soldering the cables. And how I'm doing, when I already know which cable I have to connect to which one, then I have to connect the cables, let's say parallel, and prepare for soldering. The first I have to apply the shrink tube. To not shrink the tube during the soldering, you have to make a space and the distance from the soldering place. Then the heat from here, it's not shrinking the tube. Now we have to connect the two cables. The cable is prepared for applying the soldering paste. Very important thing is soldering paste. It's many different soldering pastes on the market. We can use like this one, like this one. This one is actually for hard soldering with silver and solder as well. When you're applying and melting this paste, the solder is going everywhere where the paste is already melted. I like this one. It's easy to apply. A little bit on the cable. And now solder gun, solder. And solder is already everywhere. Now we're changing the position of shrink tube, lighter, voila. This is a proper soldering of the cables, and soldering is absolutely necessary everywhere where we have a lot of air, humidity, etc. because the copper, it's taking very quickly oxidation, and when a lot of oxidation is on the connection, then you're getting warm, then you can break the electric motor on, you can make a fire as well. That's all.